tonight, scattered showers and storms this evening, with a few potentially becoming strong to severe. An additional round of strong to severe storms. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 523, effective until 10 p.m. This watch includes the following counties: in Wisconsin: Adams, Calumet, Columbia, Dodge, Fond du Lac, Green Lake, Juneau, Marquette, Richland, Sauk, Vernon, Waushara, and Winnebago. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Now here is the hazardous weather outlook for portions of east central Wisconsin, south central Wisconsin, and southeast Wisconsin. For tonight, scattered showers and storms this evening, with a few potentially becoming strong to severe. An additional round of strong to severe storms is possible again late tonight into Sunday morning. And now the extended outlook for the period Sunday through Saturday. Storms linger into Sunday morning, with additional isolated to scattered showers and thunderstorms possible Sunday afternoon into Sunday night. A cold front will produce additional thunderstorm chances Monday afternoon through Monday night. Heat index values will approach 100 degrees Sunday and Monday across southern Wisconsin. A heat and